Well, sometimes you're the windshield and sometimes you're the bug. It seems like this summer I'm the bug. Front drive line on my pickup. Looks like a couple of the bolts were missing, and then another one finally came out and it spun it right off the yoke there, broke the flange a little bit. Luckily didn't hit like the oil pan, the transmission case, that type of stuff. And also luckily, my truck was just right down the road getting phase 1 of its conversion done. Hint, hint, hydraulic tank. So I just walked over there, got my truck, my trailer, came over, loaded my pickup up. Also, see the cab racks off the back of it. That had to come off. That's right there. We're going to take it home. That'll be for sale if anyone wants it, because it's not going to work for me anymore. So this is on the trailer. We got to go run up to Redmond to get some parts for the rollback, because I am working on that myself now. So let's go do that. We are pulling into Peterson here. It's the international dealer. There's a Consolidated. Their truck still runs. Now we're going to run in and get our parts. Okay, we got our parts, so now we're going to head home and not deal with that, because I have a bunch of other crap I got to do instead, as much as I want to get that truck running. So to home we go. Just stopped to talk with Mike here from Consolidated for a bit. Super good people if you ever need heavy towing, and clearly more reliable than me. But talked to him for a bit. Now I'm gonna head for home for real. Alfalfa. We made it home. Where are my gloves? They are on the wrong side of the cab. So we're gonna get this thing untied. Actually, I'm gonna unbolt that other bolt that's in that drive shaft, strap it up so it doesn't try to spin off the front axle moving. Then untie this thing, get it off the trailer. Then we're gonna have to use the wrecker to pick this thing up and go get it stored out back, because this trailer's got to go to work tomorrow and I don't need that on the back. That trailer is so freaking handy. I just flip our locks back. You see when I pull on the fifth wheel to test it, if those locks aren't in place, the neck will flex out some, but that's just fine. Another cool thing is that hole in the deck lets me look right across at this this foot over here and make sure it comes up all the way. So a little too big, but a small hole there would actually be nice. All right, I'm not gonna put the chains away because I'm gonna add a bunch more chains on and gotta figure out how I want to set them. So this has to come off. I think I'm gonna rob the LED lights out of this to put here in the trailer. Might be kind of nice, but for now I'm just gonna pull forward, spin around so we can lift this off of here, and then grab a bunch of my extra chains and stuff like that and load onto this trailer because it has its first equipment hauling job tomorrow. The rollback's over there looking sad. I don't have time to mess with that today, so I actually don't have time to mess with it tomorrow either because I'm hauling equipment. So eventually, but still more progress happening here than there was at the dealership. So let's get turned around. That cab rack being pulled off of there makes that truck look even longer. Why is it so long? You'll see. So I labeled the lever so Grumpy can run it too. That way you don't get confused. Oh, and then I pulled the wrong one. My bad. Okay, boom, boom. Up. Extend. See if I can just hook right to this thing. That would be nice. Oh, check that out. So, go over here and passenger winch. I'll go to the other side. I just like this side better. So we will boom up. Now my idea is going to be to set it right here on the back of the truck so it sits stable while I drive. Okay, bring our extension in, which is going to drop it down as well. I might have pushed a little too hard. Okay, passenger up and extend in. Alright, that should stay. So we're going to put it in for low, just so we can go slow. Air conditioning works now. thanks to Elite Fleet Automotive. I'll just cruise over, try not to drop that thing. Oh, that's fine. So now if we extend out, that'll lift it up. And out. So now we will cable out and extend at the same time to go straight away from the truck. See how the cable's coming down as the boom's going out. Now if we boom straight down, it'll swing away, hopefully. Just need to twist a little. Now extend in. And disconnect. And then we'll hook that back up to here. Oh, come on. Okay, I had someone point out to me and ask, when am I gonna install my cables the right way and run them through the sheave head like they're supposed to go? The answer is never, because they're not supposed to go through the sheave head on this truck. It's solid. They go over the top, over the wheel, and through the sheave. That's how it works on this truck. They don't go through like on a more modern setup. Well, I got the trailer loaded up with chains and binders. This is the only chain binder storage it has, is these two cubbies. I need to make one that goes like right there, and then maybe use that space right there for another. I kind of want to leave this open. It'd be nice to put like a sunken in box right there, but I want good access to the brakes and everything to make it easy to like service. So I think one there will be good. I painted the wheels black. I'm not going to paint the rest of the trailer. The metal is not, it's not rusted into the metal. It's just pitted spots from old paint. Things don't rust here. We're in the middle of the desert, so it doesn't need paint. I'm just going to drag it through the brush and woods and trees and crap anyway. So, but the mismatched wheels did look kind of goofy, so I painted them black. The rest of the trailer is going to stay how it is. One concern people had, being that it's a trailer with an engine on it, is ooh, take the key out so don't lose that going down the road, is well, if the engine dies or the hydraulics don't work and like that, then your load is stuck on your trailer. Yeah, just like any of them. If the engine dies or something happens with this, the load is stuck on the trailer. With the wrecker, or literally any tow truck, including the rollback, if the engine dies or the hydraulics have a problem or anything like that, whatever's on it is stuck on it. Even on the wrecker, on the wheel lift, you can't gravity lower it down with the engine off. They have holding valves on the hydraulics that they will only lower when there's pressure on them lowering them. It's a safety thing, so if a line blows or anything like that, that won't drop going down the road. So yeah, this is how it is with anything. Probably the least likely to have that happen is like my silver ramp trailer that I showed you guys a while back, that's air powered, because it's literally just air to let the ramps down. But even that trailer has had that linkage break and the ramps be stuck. So that's just part of the deal with mechanical stuff. Mechanical stuff breaks, clearly. So for now, this is all set, ready to go for the morning. And tomorrow, which will be a whole nother video from now, you guys will see this thing out on its first equipment hauling job, and I'm not sure if it's oversized or not, but we got permits anyway, so we'll see you then.